How to upload photo, video, and file on Dropbox. Add photos, videos, and files to Dropbox. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos, videos, and files to Dropbox using your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see different options like upload photos, upload files, create folder, scan document. To upload a photo or video, tap on Upload Photos. Your phone's gallery will open. Select the photos or videos you want to upload, then tap Upload at the top right. Dropbox will start uploading them immediately. If you want to upload any other type of file like PDFs, documents, or zip files, tap on Upload Files instead. This will open your file manager. Browse to any folder, select the file you want, and tap Upload. You can also choose the folder in Dropbox where you want the file to be saved. Once the upload finishes, your photos, videos, and files will appear in your Dropbox account, synced across all your devices. That's it. That's how you upload photos, videos, and files to Dropbox. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.